members, Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Michelle Obama's award-winning recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So these chocolate chip cookies actually won the Family Circle Presidential Cookie Bake-Off. So to make these cookies, you'll need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of softened butter, which is 2 sticks of butter, 1 stick of butter-flavored Crisco vegetable shortening, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and 1 cup of mint chocolate chips or crushed Andes mints like this, and 2 cups of chopped walnuts. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with our large bowl, and we're going to add in our flour. So 2 1/4 cups of flour, here's 1 cup, two, and 1/4. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, one teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we can mix this up a little bit and move it aside later. Now we're going to take a second bowl, and in this bowl we're going to combine our butter. So 1 cup of softened butter, which is 2 sticks of butter, 1, and 2, and next we're going to add 1 stick of our Crisco butter flavored vegetable shortening. And our sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar, one, 2, and 3, and our brown sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, one, 2, and 3. And next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go. And go ahead and mix this together. Make sure it's all nice and well combined. And next we're going to add in our 2 eggs. So you want to add your eggs in one at a time. And mix it in there. And our second egg. And mix that in there. There we go. Now we're going to add in our flour mixture that we made previously. And stir that in. Make sure you incorporate all that flour. Mix it all in there. There we go. And now we're going to add in our 3 different chocolates. So first we're going to start with 1 cup of our white chocolate chips. 1. And next 1 cup of our milk chocolate chips. And 1 cup of our mint chocolate chips, or you can use crushed Andes mints. Go. And mix those in carefully. Alrighty. And lastly, we're going to add 2 cups of walnuts. There's 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And 2. And mix those in. And there is our cookie batter. Next, you're going to take a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And we're going to scoop about a tablespoon-sized scoop of our cookie dough onto our parchment paper. Alright, and now we're going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees for about 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, or until they're golden brown. After taking the cookies out of the oven, I let them cool for about 5 minutes on the cookie sheet, and then I let them cool completely on the cooling rack, and this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye!